Hello guys, in this video I would like to show you our ride on the Ferris wheel in the city of Lyon, which is located on a hill in the La Cruz district. From there you can get an incredible view of Lyon that you can truly enjoy. The price, by the way, was €8. So my colleague and I arrived at the Ferris wheel in the morning, so there were very few people and we were almost alone on it. To be honest, I was thrilled, but my colleague suddenly got scared and became nervous, even though he kept insisting that he wasn't afraid of heights. So that's the story. Enjoy the view and see you in the next video.
Ne, nestoupnu. Stoupnu. Ne, nestoupnu. Dobře, stoupnu si. To je masakr. No tam je to ta opera. To je výhled, ale že? Aha. Za 8 večer pojedeme, doufám, 3krát. A jo? Nehybej se, prosím tě, na. Se mně to nelíbí. Ne. To si dělá srandu, ne? Vadí. Já se vyšších nebojím, ale tohle je fakt nepříjemné, jak se to ještě jako líbá. Proč stojíme? Abychom si dělali fotky, ne? Já chci dolů, vole.